How to fix screen recording not showing in Control Center on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix screen recording not showing in Control Center on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is simply swipe from the top right corner to access your Control Center. After you're here, if you don't see an option like this one right here, which is the screen recording, what you can do is you can tap on the plus icon on the top left corner. You'll see the plus icon, tap on it, and after you tap on it, there you'll see an option called add a control. So tap on add a control, and after you tap on add a control, there you'll find screen recording right around here. Tap on screen recording and it will get added to your Control Center. So you can change it, you can simply drag it wherever you want to place it, and you can change its size as well if you want to. And after you've done that, simply swipe up from the bottom and you will have added your screen recording on your Control Center. And that's how you fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.